This is one of Tokyo's most popular nightclubs, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about WARP Shinjuku. Alright, so tonight I'm DJing at WARP Shinjuku. This is one of the clubs in Tokyo that I DJ at the most frequently. And the first thing you need to know about this nightclub is its location. It is located only about 5 to 6 minutes away from Shinjuku Station in the Kabukicho area. It's basically kind of the red light area, but this area is very popular with tourists. There's tons of bars, there's a few nightclubs. The area is also very photogenic. You're gonna see a lot of photos and videos being taken in this area as well. My DJ set starts real soon, so let me take you inside WARP and break down all the different dance floors this nightclub has to offer. Before every DJ gig in Japan, I like to take a moment to connect with the people who actually follow my music and my content. Tokyo's been blowing up as a tourist destination lately, so it's been really cool meeting people from all over the world. Everyone that came out was on my guest list, which gets them a discount off the door price. If you want to get on my guest list at WARP Shinjuku, just say Vivid's Guest or Tokyo Night Owl and you'll get a discount off the door price. And this works any day of the week, even if I'm not DJing that night. So we are now in the back of WARP where all the artists get ready to go on stage. And before I DJ, let me tell you about the different floors here at WARP Shinjuku. Tonight I'm DJing on the main floor. It's the largest floor where all the VIP is located. Big dance floor, epic production, LED screens. It's amazing. But there's 3 other dance floors. So Bar Meteo is where you're gonna hear a lot of the hip hop and R&B at WARP Shinjuku. It's an intimate vibe with its own bar, and if you wanna hear hip hop and R&B, that's the floor to check out. The next floor is the Cosmo floor. To get to the Cosmo floor, you gotta go to the main bar, and on the left side of the main bar, there's a staircase that goes up. Be careful if you've had a few drinks. I've seen some people fall. If you love hardstyle, drum and bass, you're definitely gonna hear it on this floor. And the last floor is called Force. It's the newest dance floor in WARP, and this floor has all kinds of different genres. A lot of times it's K-pop, sometimes it's trance music, sometimes it's just straight up EDM. Check the schedule, it's different every single night, but there you go, you got 4 different dance floors where you can hear all different kinds of genres. And right now I'm with MC Disco, the resident MC of the club. Bro, tell everybody why they should come to WARP to party.
Oh, it's one of the hypest parties you're gonna visit in Tokyo, man. That's always a good time.
Absolutely. And this guy is crazy, man. When you get on the mic, the club blows up.
Oh, I try to make it happen.
Are you here? Are you here every day?
Just about every day. So please come visit me when you can. Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Disco Cigs, DISCO CIGS.
On the 4th floor, they've got these wild gacha machines. Drop in 1,000 or 10,000 yen and you could walk away with drinks or prizes. My DJ buddy Norio decided to give it a go, and let's just say we ended up with tequila shots. Honestly, not a bad way to get warmed up before a set.
Wow, that was insane. WARP Shinjuku is always banging. The great part about this nightclub is that, of course, the weekends are busy, but also the weekdays are very busy. Nightclubs in Tokyo are generally pretty busy, but the weekdays can be slow, even in Shibuya and Shinjuku. But WARP is one of the few clubs in Tokyo that is just going crazy every single night. And of course, the weekends are very busy. Now, if you're coming on the weekend, I highly recommend that you come early because the line gets very long. And when I say early, I'm talking about 11 p.m. If you come at midnight or 1 a.m., there will be a line. You can expect to wait anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to get into the nightclub. When it comes to the door price, WARP is very cheap for the ladies. Before midnight, it's only 800 yen with 1 drink ticket, and after midnight, it's 1,000 yen with 1 free drink ticket. For the men, it's 2,000 yen with 1 free drink ticket before midnight, and after midnight, it is 4,000 yen with 1 drink ticket. Now, when it comes to VIP tables, there's a variety of plans available, and there's a lot of VIP tables, so it's hard to say exactly how much you would pay if you come to WARP, but if you come before midnight, it's very cheap. Now, after midnight,
the prices range wildly, but the tables right next to the DJ booth are quite expensive. But there are other options even on the other floors as well if you want to get a VIP table. And if you want to book a VIP table, best thing to do is go to the WARP website. They have a phone number, or you can email and you can actually contact them in English. They can actually reply to you in English if you want that table. Now people always ask me, Vivid, how old do I gotta be to get into the nightclub? Well, to get into the nightclub, you need to be at least 20 years of age. There are some special events during the early time where you can be 18 years old or older, but you cannot drink alcohol, and they're gonna give you a special wristband. But those are few and far between. Basically, you need to be 20 years old or older, and you need to have a proper passport with you. They don't always accept photocopies and driver license. If you have a driver license, the reason they don't always accept it is sometimes they don't even know how to read the driver license. So you need to bring your passport when you come to the club. Now you might be wondering, wow, I'm bringing my passport, I'm bringing my purse, all these important things. What can I do with it? There are lockers that you can stick all your valuables in, and I highly recommend putting your valuables in these lockers because, well, sometimes things happen. You get drunk, you lose your stuff, something else happens. So put your important stuff inside the locker just in case. When it comes to what kind of drinks are available at the club, well, your pretty standard Japanese nightclub menu, very basic cocktails. Don't expect anything fancy coming out of the bar here, even with the VIP tables, nothing gets too fancy. A lot of shots, basic cocktails, but sometimes they do have seasonal drinks that I especially like. In the summertime, they have these like frozen drinks that are really nice. But yeah, basically the drinks here are very basic, but they are very cheap. Most drinks start at either 500 yen to 1,000 yen, with shots starting at 500 yen. Very cheap. Now what's really great about WARP is they have incredible production. They have sparklers, CO2, confetti. It goes absolutely crazy on the main floor. Additionally, they have a whole dance team that comes out and performs every hour, and they do a variety of different dance performances. Some are inspired by Japanese culture, some are just super random and futuristic. It's all very fun, it feels very Japanese, and they do it all week long, so definitely check that out. And for the ladies, they actually have a special ladies room where you can do your makeup, do your hair, and it's up next to the fourth floor. They have all these mirrors, a bunch of different lighting. It could be a good place to touch up on the makeup, fix your hair, or whatever you need to do. If you're coming, expect this club to be crowded. If you don't like big crowds in a nightclub in a compact space, then WARP may not be for you. But most nightclubs in Tokyo are actually very crowded. But the good thing about WARP, there are other dance floors that you can go to that are less crowded, that have different genres. That's one of the great things about WARP. You're not stuck in one area. You can move around a little bit. All right, so there you go. That is WARP Shinjuku. If you got any questions or if you've been to WARP Shinjuku before, let me know down in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. V is out.